Sign up and browse. In order to access all the features available in Autowini, the best way to do this is to sign up a new account. The process is simple. In the main page, go to Sign Up for free. As soon as you open this section, you will see several fields that need to be completed. This is the basic information that goes from username, password, to personal name, the user account, and phone number. Once the information is completed, just click on Complete Step and you will receive an email for verification. Now that you sign up, you can start accessing all the features in Autowini. Let's start by finding a new car. Just go to the car section and open the menu. Here you will see all the cars that are already been displayed and that are popular in your area or region. But if you want to be more specific, all you have to do is check all the filters available on the left side here. Here you can choose different sections, such as make, model, year, engine, transmission, and so on. Each of these menus will let you choose between all the cars that are available in Autowini. For example, by clicking this option here, you will see all the cars available with those specific conditions that you require. Once you put your selected specifications, all you have to do is click the vehicle you're interested and you can proceed with your purchase. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Autowini.